Kenyans will tomorrow know whether the suspension of conservatory orders against the implementation of the Finance Act will be lifted or not as the High Court gives its ruling on the controversial matter.
Well, the court had last week extended orders amid protests by the government side, which lamented that the orders were bound to plunge the country into financial paralysis. Chemutai Goin reports.
With 184 recommendations under the Finance Act expected to take effect in the month of July, Kenyans will be waiting with bated breath to know if the High Court will lift stay orders it issued which temporarily halted the implementation of the Act until cases lodged against it are heard and determined. Last week, the High Court extended orders prohibiting the implementation of the Finance Act until two cases filed by Busia Senator Okiya Omtata and Rarieda Member of Parliament Otiende Amolo are heard. The government in its argument said it had suffered an injustice in the issuance of the orders, warning that if the Finance Act 2023 is not implemented, the country will be hit by a budgetary crisis, and that already over 500 million shillings was being lost daily since the court granted the orders.
They have compromised the entire budgetary legislative support system. This side shows by the petitioners are intended to hide away the constitutional, political and financial crisis that they have precipitated in this country.
But the petitioners remained firm, saying the orders did not stop KRA from collecting revenue, and that further, the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority, EPRA, had gone ahead to selectively implement the 16% VAT imposition on petroleum products against the court orders.
This fear-mongering is misplaced. The Finance Act 2022 continues. Only the additional taxes are then suspended. That does not cripple government, does not stop payment of debt, does not stop the country from running.
Through the controversial Finance Act 2023, the Kenya Kwanza administration seeks to raise revenue through various taxation measures to enable it increase revenue, minimize external borrowing, and collect funds locally to implement some of its ambitious development plans, including the Affordable Housing Scheme, boosting of agriculture and food production, facilitating implementation of UHC, among others. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV.